According to a recently published report, the International Space Station had to change its orbit several times in the last few years to avoid getting hit by large space debris. Space debris, or space junk, gets accumulated owing to various known reasons. Objects released during spacecraft deployment and operations, refuse from crewed missions, rocket exhaust products, etc., contribute to space debris. A few days ago, an astronaut lost a mirror from the ISS. Although not a major or minor threat to ISS, it continues to orbit the Earth in the form of space junk. According to experts, space debris can be removed by using the following methods.
1. Deorbiting, the deliberate, forced re-entry of a space object into the Earth's atmosphere. 2. Zapping the debris with powerful lasers. 3. Moving objects into less populated disposal orbits at the end of their functional lifetime. 4. Active removal of debris from orbit using mechanical means. Can you suggest a smart fix to this problem? Do share your insightful thoughts in the comments section below, and hit the like button if you wish to see more such videos.
Like, share, and subscribe.